Hello, I'm Sunny. Welcome to our Pinyin series. Today we're talking about the change of a. As we know, a as a modal particle, the pronunciation will be changed according to the formal syllable. Even sometimes the written form will be changed. So let's have a look first. First one, syllable end with a, o, e, u plus a, and the a will read like ya, and the written will like this. So for example, this one, 真乐呀，真乐呀. And the second one, syllable end with u, ao, yao plus a. It will be changed to wa and then write like this. So we say 别哭啊，别哭啊. Number third, syllable end with plus a. It will become na and write like this. So for example, oh my god, 天哪. Less people will say 天啊. Strange will say 天哪. Okay? Okay. Number four, syllable end with plus a. We will say no, no, but the right as a also. So we say 行了, 行了. Okay, 行了. Number five, syllable z, c, s plus a. We will say za. And also the written form is original one. So we say 写字啊，写字啊，写字啊. Not 写字啊 is 写字啊. And the syllable zh, ch, sh, zh, with a is pronounced ra. Also, the written form is original one. So cha, cha. Okay, let's the change of a. But here you need to pay attention. No matter it pronounced like a, wa, ya, na, or na, za, ra, it also light and short. Okay, if you think today's video is very helpful, please like and share it to your friends. Thanks for watching. 再见。